Hello and welcome to these maths tutorials with TV Tutor. In this video, we will be looking at direct and inverse proportion. Two quantities are said to be in direct proportion if they increase or decrease in the same ratio. If two amounts are directly proportional, we can scale the quantities up by multiplying. The symbol for proportion is shown. To write y is directly proportional to x using the proportionality symbol, we would write y is proportional to x. A room needs some new skirting board. The total length required is 31 metres and the budget is £625. What is the maximum spend per metre? Budget is proportional to total length. We can write this as the equation y equals kx, where y is the budget, x is the total length, and k is the max spend per metre, a constant. Filling in the values we have gives £625 equals 31 metres times the spend per metre. Rearranging, we have 625 divided by 31 metres equals max spend per metre. So max spend per metre is £20.16. Skirting is priced at £20 per metre. We can represent this proportional relationship on a graph. If the skirting board is to be delivered for £40, then the proportional relationship remains the same, but the line crosses the y-axis at 40. The value of t is directly proportional to the value of w squared. When t equals 1, w equals 2. Use this information to write an equation relating t and w. Starting with t is proportional to w squared, we can write t equals kw squared, where k is an unknown constant. Substituting our values for t and w, we have 1 equals 4k. Dividing both sides by 4, we have the value for k. So the solution is t equals 0.25 w squared. Two quantities are said to be in inverse proportion if when one increases, the other decreases at the same rate. If one quantity doubles, the other is halved. If one is multiplied by 3, the other is divided by 3. To write y is inversely proportional to x using the proportionality symbol, we would write y is proportional to 1 over x. A company is looking to rent some space in an open plan warehouse and has a budget for 4,800 square meters. What are the options for length and width? Length is proportional to 1 over width. We can represent this inverse proportional relationship on a graph. Graphs of inverse proportional relationships will always be curves. The value of t is inversely proportional to the value of w squared. When t equals 1, w equals 2. Use this information to write an equation relating t and w. Starting with t is inversely proportional to w squared, we can write t equals k over w squared, where k is an unknown constant. Substituting our values for t and w, we have 1 equals k over 4. Multiplying both sides by 4, we have the value for k. So the solution is t equals 4 over w squared. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have found it useful, please like and subscribe to see more content.